Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb latet, which means to give. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew word for the verb to give is latet. Latet. To say I give or I am giving as a male, say ani noten. Ani noten. To say I give or I am giving as a female, say ani notenet. Ani notenet. To say I gave as either a male or a female, say ani natati. Ani natati. To say I will give as either a male or a female, say ani eten. Ani eten. To say you give or you are giving when referring to a singular male, say ata noten. Ata noten. To say you gave when referring to singular male, say ata natata. Ata natata. To say you will give when referring to a singular male, say ata titen. Ata titen. To say you give or you are giving when referring to singular female, say at notenet. At notenet. To say you gave when referring to singular female, say at natat. At natat. To say you will give when referring to singular female, say at titni. At titni. To say he gives or he is giving, say hu noten. Hu noten. To say he gave, say hu natan. Hu natan. To say he will give, say hu yiten. Hu yiten. To say she gives or she is giving, say he notenet. He notenet. To say she gave, say he natna. He natna. To say she will give, say he titen. He titen. To say we give or we are giving as males, say אנחנו נותנים. אנחנו נותנים. To say we give or we are giving as females, say אנחנו נותנות. אנחנו נותנות. To say we gave as either males or females, say אנחנו נתנו. אנחנו נתנו. To say we will give, say אנחנו ניתן. אנחנו ניתן. To say you give or you are giving when referring to plural males, say אתם נותנים. אתם נותנים. To say you gave when referring to plural males, say אתם נתתם. אתם נתתם. atem. To say you will give, when referring to plural males, say atem titnu. Atem titnu. To say you give or you are giving, when referring to plural females, say aten notnot. Aten not. To say you gave, when referring to plural females, say aten nataten. Aten nataten. To say you will give, when referring to plural females, say aten titnu. Aten titnu. There is another form which is aten titenna, but we don't really use it nowadays. To say they give or they are giving, when referring to males, say hem notnim. Hem notnim. To say they gave, when referring to males, say hem natnu. Hem natnu. To say they will give, when referring to males, say hem yitnu. Hem yitnu. To say they give or they are giving, when referring to females, say hen not. Hen not. To say they gave, when referring to females, say hen natnu. Hen natnu. To say they will give, when referring to females, say hen yitnu. Hen yitnu. Here as well, there is another form which is hen titenna, but we don't really use it nowadays. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the forms of the verb. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.